No, we're making s'more cookies.
What ingredients do you have?
Really? How dare you?
We have
Cookies.
Okay.
And we have
chips.
graham crackers.
Okay.
We got marshmallows.
Okay.
And we have Hershey's.
We have icing.
All right.
That's not icing. That's chocolate cookie.
Okay. So what are we gonna do with these things?
We're gonna make some s'more cookies with them.
Some s'more cookies?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what we can do to make some s'more cookies. Have y'all washed y'all's hands yet?
Yep.
Yep.
I don't think that one has washed their hands
I
yet.
did.
This one has washed their hands because they washed this pan, but that one didn't wash her hands.
What? Finish. I won't eat any more marshmallows again. I won't eat any more marshmallows again.
Okay. Hey. We're gonna be making some s'more cookies. Tell them the ingredients.
With all the green in it.
Show them. Tell them what they are.
We got the mozzarella and we got some cookies. And we got some cookies and that's it.
What are these?
Chips. Dup, 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 dup. Dup, 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 dup.
This is how you make some s'more cookies.
Hey, or go do that
First, you have to lay all the graham crackers into the pan. Okay. I think we need more graham crackers.
doing 6 cookies.
Oh, 6? 6. Yes, space them out on the pan. Good, good, good. As you see here. And
What's next? Chocolate. Cook them for 9 minutes, and then you wait till they're ready, and then you wait 5 minutes, and then you eat them. Enjoy. Hey, we're about to try them. Yummy. And yeah, unstick it first. That's fine. Even though we use an unstick.
You are putting metal in my pan.
Great. That's good.
All right,
That's
come
good.
on, let's get a bite. Let's get a bite.
Get a bite.
Can I get a bite?
Hurry.
From our family to yours, I hope you enjoyed the content. Please like, share, and subscribe.